the question reads, find the product xy if x 3/2, 6/7, and y are in GP. The question tests the knowledge of geometric progression, that is the sequence. Now let's start by breaking the formulas of geometric progressions. The formula says that un is equals to ar n raised to power minus 1, ar raised to power n minus 1, where a represents the first term, r here represents the common ratio. And you know, for geometric progressions, they differ by common ratio, and the common ratio there is the same for all. It simply means that the common ratio there is the same for all the terms there. Now let's start by putting this term there. We find out that the first term from the equation is x there. The second term is 3/2. The third term is 6/7. While the fourth term is y. Now, how do we get x and y? We are going to use the relations that the common ratios are the same. Now, what is the common ratio of a geometric progression? The common ratio is second term over first term. That you divide the second term by first term, which is also equal to the third term over second term, which is also equal to the fourth term over the third term. Now let's find the common ratio there. Since we are given the second term and the third term, we are going to use it to find out what the common ratio is for this geometric progression. I'll use the relation to find the value of x and also the value of y. Now we say that the third term over second term, which is what is given. So we now say we divide the third term by the second term. And the third term there is 6/7. We divide it by the second term, which is 3/2, which you can say 6/7 divide 3/2. 6/7 divide 3/2. You can say 6/7, because of division we multiply times 2/3, which is equal to 4/7. So the common ratio is equal to 4/7. Now let's use it to find the value of x. You know, we say that the second term over the first term is equal to common ratio, and common ratio is 4/7. So we can now say second term 3/2 divide x. We can now say x/1 is equal to the common ratio. So but 3/2 divide x/1 is equal to 3/2 times, since x/1, 1/x, which you have as a 3/2x. So 3/2x is also a common ratio, which is equal to 4/7. So then say 3/2 2x is equal to 4/7. And cross multiply 3 times 7 is 21. Now say 21 is equal to 4 times 2x is equal to 8x. Therefore x is equal to 21/8. So we are going to use the same way to find the value of y. For y, we know y is the fourth term. You can now say fourth term over the third term is also equal to the common ratio, which is 4/7. So let's find out. To find out, we are given that y, which is the fourth term, divide the third term, which is 6/7, is equal to 4/7, which implies that y times 7/6 is equal to 4/7. By cross multiplying, we have that you have 7y/6 is equal to 4/7. So when cross multiply, 7y times 7 is 49y, is equal to 4 times 6, which is 24. This implies that y is equal to 24/49. But what we have to find is xy. So x times y, which is 21/8 times 24/49, which is equal to 9/7.